In this lecture, we will understand what is a local host or local server. So my answer to this question is, hear it carefully, it is very important to understand this. My answer is, a local host or local server is a software which is required to run WordPress on our computer. That's it. That is all you need to understand. But for the sake of information and for the sake of this course, I'm going to give you a much more detailed explanation. So WordPress is built on PHP and MySQL. So we need to run Apache server, PHP server and MySQL server to run WordPress. And that is what our local host or local server is going to do for us. It is a package which runs Apache, MySQL and PHP. And that is why we need our local server. So there are a couple of options available in the market. Some of them are MAMP, WAMP and XAMPP. My favorite one is MAMP. So we will be using this throughout this course because it is so simple and it is so powerful and it is easy to navigate. So open your favorite web browser and browse some of the options. So go to Google and search for WAMP, WAMP, and you will get this link, which is wampserver.com. Click on the link. It is an option for Windows guys, for only Windows guys. WAMP is only available for Windows. So if you are using Windows, you can use this, but if you are not going to use it because we have a better option. Another option is XAMPP. Go to Google and search for XAMPP and you will get this link from apachefriend.org. Okay, understand this, apachefriends.org, and you will get to this page. It is available for all the platforms like Windows, Linux and OS X, but we will not be using this. We will be using MAMP because MAMP is easy to navigate and it is so simple and also available for Windows and Mac. So go to Google and search for MAMP and click on the first link over here. Wait for a second, it will open, the magic will happen, and here we are. So we will be using the free version of MAMP and we need to download this. So just click on this. It will so it has PHP, latest version of PHP, and we need to download it from. If you are using Windows, you can get it from here or here. Just scroll up and go to downloads, and if you are using Windows, just click over here and download this. If you are using Mac OS X, then click over here and download this. I am using Mac, so I am going to download this. Okay, so in the next lecture I will teach you how you can install XAMPP on your computer, and in the further next lecture I am going to teach you how to install WordPress on your local computer. So just go ahead and download that. It is a big file, 350 MB, so it will take a couple of minutes. So I will see you